Hey guys, this is Baby Einstein 12702 here, and today I am going to be reviewing this VHS that I got for Christmas like I showed in my last video. It is the Neighborhood Animals 2001 VHS with the Atlantis logo. So this is a Canadian VHS, and I am like really glad I got this because I've always wanted at Atlantis tape. And what's even crazier about this is that it has the bluebird on it on the front cover. So yeah, I never knew this existed till like a month ago when I bought it from eBay. Alright, so I thought that, like, this VHS was taking such a long time to get here, but I finally got it for Christmas like 5 days ago. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this review. So yeah, we have 1 to 4 years, baby little neighborhood animals. So that's how you say neighborhood in Canada. And then exploring neighborhood animals in delightful music and video. Now we have Pavlov, the bluebird, and the frog. It's like, so it's Knee Deep the frog, and like Pavlov the dog. Featuring classical music and beautiful child-friendly scenes of animals. So yeah, here's the front. And now here's the back. If you want to read this, then just pause it. It says approximately 30 minutes, and there's FHE logo and the artist logo. There's the Canadian home video G rating, and then the Atlantis. Here's the side. Here's the other side. Oh, there's some yucky hair right there. Here's the top. It's backwards like a Paramount VHS, which I think Paramount VHS's tops were backwards until like 1999 or something. And then here's the inside. Like again, if you want to read this, then just pause it. And here is the VHS tape. So I think that this is the warning screen before the Atlantis logo. So like here's the VHS tape with like normal right reels, and there is actually, it's set up, but there is no print date, but it says 1 out of 4 right here. Okay, so I was testing this VHS to see if this had the FHE website after the video tutorial, but it did not. So now we all know that I think that all languages from Neighborhood Animals 2001 VHSs do not have the FHE website thingy. It's so weird that Neighborhood Animals does not have the FHE website, but the rest of the videos do. Alright. Yep. I have another review coming today, so stay tuned for that. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see ya.